Another shortcoming of the Industrial Revolution was the exploitation of children to work in factories.
One of the reasons why these moving parts in the early cotton factories are so small, well, they made it so small so that children could operate the machines. And the child's job was to go around replacing spindles. And so they made it so that a little hand could get in there and work the machine. So you have child labor introduced. Now, there's always been child labor, you would say. Surely a farm is the essence of a farm is child labor. Child labor in a farm, though, is not quite the same thing as child labor in a setting where the factory is closed off. It's often very cold. The air is polluted with cotton fiber. It's vibrating. The sound is deafening. So we think that many of these children must have, if nothing else, come out 5-6 years in the factory with significant hearing loss.
For many families, the price they paid working in these factories was offset by their gains, which were essentially higher incomes and steady work, two things that were previously unattainable. Given a choice between starving and having enough to get by, factory work improved their lives. These living and working conditions were so prevalent that people were led to believe that all industrial cities were the same. But, in truth, they weren't. Each was distinctive, and the conditions in them were not as uniformly bad as was often assumed.